Hey guys, today, let's learn how to fix blurry photos on the iPhone. So if you guys want to go ahead and fix those blurry, annoying photos that you have took on the iPhone device, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to basically fix this issue. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. So directly on the Photos application, we could actually go ahead and fix our blurry photos just by using the Edit application directly on the iPhone device. All we need to do from here is to go ahead and basically choose your preferred photo that you would like to go ahead and edit. And let's assume that you want to go ahead and edit maybe this photo right here. So all we need to do is tap on the edit option over on the top part of the photo right here. So once you tap on this photo, you should see the edit right there. And once you tap on edit, this is what you guys should see, right guys? So what we need to play around here is to go ahead and slide to the option to change the photo's sharpness. So that should be located onto the latter part of these options to edit the specific parts of the photo over here. On sharpness, if you do have a photo that is blurry, all we need to do is to increase the sharpness a desirable amount until you see some significant differences onto the photo. What we could also do to adjust on this photo to enhance its quality is to make some tweaks as well with the brightness and contrast to pull out some of those blurriness and make it more sharp to look at. So we could also go ahead and enhance its definition and also enhance some increase of the noise reduction. And all in all, these three options should enhance your photo and reduce its blurriness. And tap on done once you're done. And that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as all of you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.